Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the sums of chapter 3, force and area. We are dealing with two formulas. One is density, that is equal to mass by volume. Another one, relative density, that is equal to density of substance upon density of water. Fine. Dealing with these two formulas, we are going to solve the sums of this exercise which is given in your textbook, page number 22. So let us start with the first one. Question number 5. What is asked? Complete the following tables. Now, whenever you are solving the examples, my dear students, always keep just remember, first thing you have to write given part. So let us write here. I am solving question number 5. First one, the mass is given, that is 350. Okay, you can also write if you want unit also. Volume is given, that is 175 meter cube. Then what you have to find out, that is density. So okay, so you have to write what is density. So this is the given part. Fine. So to find out this density, you already have the formula, that is density is equal to mass by volume. So just write down density, that is equal to mass by volume. This is the formula. Now write down what all given data, that is mass is equal to 350, right? 350 upon volume 175. You can do the calculation. Here this goes fine. Fine. Again it can be cancelled by 5. So this is, and here 5, 4. Is it clear? So is it possible now? 14 divided by 2. Still it is possible, that is 2. The answer is 2. This is a normal calculation. You can do separately if you are getting confused. This is 350 by 175. If you do the calculation, you will get the answer 2. Is it clear? So what is your density? Density, that is equal to 2. Then how you will write the unit? Here the mass unit is kg, right? I'm just saying kg, and by volume, that is per meter cube. Okay, per meter cube. So this is the answer, final answer. Is it clear? So now moving ahead, second question, that is what is now given, the given part of the second question, that is here you have given volume. Volume is given 190 meter cube, and you also given density, which is equal to 4 kg per meter cube. And what you want? Mass. Mass is not given, so mass you have to find out. So my dear students, you are using the same formula, that is density is equal to mass by volume. So what you are going to do? You have to do mass, you can make it subject, because that is the thing which you have to find out, and you already have the value, density and volume, which is given in the question. So you will write mass is equal to, what will happen when volume you are taking to the other side? This is in the denominator, right? When it goes to the other side, it will come in numerator. So density into volume. Now put the value. Density, that is 4, volume, that is 190. Okay, so just multiply 4 into 190, you will be getting 760. Okay, if you talk about the unit, then what is the density unit? That is kg per meter cube, right? Kg per meter cube. Also you are in the product, right? And what is 190 meter cube? Meter cube cancel. So the value of mass, the unit is 760 kg. Fine, this is the final answer. So here we are finished with the question number 5. Okay, now next part of the question number 5, let us write down. The second part, that is, you can see here density of metal is not given. Okay, but what is given? Density of water is given, that is 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Remember students, if in the question density of water is not given, then also remember always the value is constant. If it is not given, still you can take density of water, that is equal to 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Is it clear? Secondly, what is given? Relative density. I am writing shortcut RD. RD means relative density. What is given? That is 5. What is to find? That is density of metal. This is what you have supposed to find out. So what is here, which formula you have to apply? Here you have to find out density of metal. So you are using this relative density, means that formula you are using. Relative density is equal to density of substance upon density of water. So just write down RD is equal to, which information is given? Density of water. That means this one is given. Density of metal is not given. So write down density of metal upon density of water. So you are writing RD, that is given 5, density of metal, that is you have to find out. So just write down as it is, and density of water, that is given 10 raised to 3. So just make it subject density of metal. So density of metal, that is equal to, you are taking when 10 raised to 3, it is in the denominator. When you are taking to the other side, what will become? It will goes in the numerator, also in product. So 5 into 10 raised to 3. Like this way you will be getting. Is it clear? So density of metal, that is equal to 5 into 10 raised to 3. Is it clear? Fine. So this is about the, I hope students this is now very easy, and the unit is, that is kg per meter cube, because this is only what you are doing, right? Density of water, that is what, kg per meter cube, which goes in multiplies, and our relative density is not having unit, so the answer is kg per unit is kg per meter cube. Fine. Now next, that is fourth one. It is given that in fourth one, you can see density of metal is given. Okay, density of metal is given 8.5 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. It is given. Now density, I told if it is not given, still you will be writing density of water. Now here in the question it is given 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Then what is the relative density? This is what you have to find. Straight away the formula only. So just write down relative density is equal to, what is the formula? Density of metal upon, here density of metal, I already wrote in the beginning, density of substance upon density of water. Here both is given, you have to find out relative density. So it is clear. So just see, relative density is equal to, what is density of metal is what? 8.5, right? 8.5 into 10 raised to this. So just write down 8.5 into 10 raised to 3 upon 10 raised to 3. Is it clear? 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3 cancel out. So what is the answer? 8.5. relative density. Even unit also will cancel out. See, unit of metal, that is kg per meter cube, upon density of water, that is kg per meter cube. It is very easy. Everything will be cancelled out, so nothing unit is left. So relative density is equal to 8.5 is only the answer. Is it clear? So this is all about this one. Now next, that is I'm giving next the slot. If you see, you can see weight is not given. Okay, just write down the given part. Area is given, that is 0.04 meter square. Then you have given pressure, that is 20,000 Newton per meter square, or else if you write -2 then also okay. Okay, then what to find? You have to find weight. It is clearly written capital N. My dear students, force here in this case we will represent as weight. So which formula you will be using? You can use the formula you already have learned, that pressure, that is equal to force upon area, right? This formula you already have studied in this chapter. Am I right? So here pressure is given, area is given. My dear students, here in this case, whenever, because weight, it is in the term of force, it is expressing in the term of force. So pressure, that is equal to, pressure is given, that is 20,000. Force is not force, that we have to find out. So let it be as it is. What is area? 0.04. Is it clear? So how you will find? You can make force as the subject, then 20,000 into this 0.04. You can take it to the other side, so where it will come in the numerator and goes in a product. So 0.04. Now can you solve this, students? It's very easy. If you are confusing, you can remove this decimal point by putting 4 by 100. See, after decimal point 2 numbers, that means it comes 100. You can see, I will show you. So it comes force, this is what it is written, right? 20,000 into 0.04. So what you will write? 20,000 into 4 by 100. You can remove the decimal point by putting 100. You can see this 20 and here 20 will be cancelled. So what you will getting? 4 2s are 8 0, 800. This is what you are getting. This is what the formula. You understood? Next sum. Next sum, that is here weight, that means you can write directly force, which is given 1500 Newton. Then area, that is given 500 meters square. Pressure is not given, so let me put question mark. What is the formula? Pressure is equal to force upon area. So P is equal to, what is force? 1500, and area, that is 500. 20 cancel, and here 3. So what is become pressure? That is 3 Newton per meter square. This is finally you got the answer. Is it clear? So this is all about question number 5 that we have discussed. I hope, students, now it is clear. Moving ahead,